If you're tired of starting strong and burning out fast, if your focus disappears by noon, and if you're constantly hard on yourself for not doing enough, this isn't just about motivation. It's about nervous system regulation, attention habits, and emotional energy. Let's break it down. 1. The rule of one. Focus beats frenzy. Multitasking isn't productive, it's overwhelming. The human brain is built for depth, not chaos. Every morning ask, if I only accomplish one thing today, what matters most? That one question clears the noise and aligns your focus with purpose. 2. Dopamine design. Create momentum, not pressure. Your brain is driven by dopamine, the reward chemical. But dopamine doesn't reward outcomes, it rewards progress. So break your work into tiny wins. Start with something so small you can't fail. Then celebrate completion, not perfection. Progress triggers dopamine. Dopamine builds motivation. Motivation builds momentum. 3. Nervous system reset. Regulate to focus. If your mind keeps wandering or shutting down, that's not laziness. It's a dysregulated nervous system. Try this 2 to 3 times a day. Close your eyes. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6 to 8. This calms your vagus nerve. It brings your body out of survival mode and into productive mode. 4. Emotional buffering. Build resilience before burnout. Productivity without emotional management? That's a crash waiting to happen. Ask yourself daily, what am I feeling? What do I need to release it? Sometimes it's movement. Sometimes it's music. Sometimes it's just one good conversation. Build a recovery ritual into your schedule, just 10 to 15 minutes. It protects your energy long term. 5. The 90-20 rule. Work with your brain, not against it. The average brain can only focus deeply for 90 minutes at a time. Then it needs a reset. So work for 90 minutes, break for 20. But don't scroll. Walk, stretch, breathe. You'll come back sharper and more emotionally grounded. 6. Track the win, not just the work. Instead of asking, what did I finish? Ask, what did I learn? What did I handle better today than yesterday? This rewires your brain for growth, not guilt. You don't need to hustle harder. You need to regulate better. Focus is built, resilience is trained, and consistency, that's not a personality trait. It's a system. Use your biology, use your psychology, and watch what happens when your energy finally works with you, not against you.